Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
The demand for sustainable materials is rapidly growing, and vegan leather stands out as a compassionate choice. It offers a revolutionary, cruelty-free alternative to traditional animal hides, providing the desired look and feel without ethical concerns. Crafted from innovative plant-based materials and recycled synthetics, this eco-friendly option is quickly gaining popularity. From high-fashion accessories to automotive interiors, vegan leather is proving its versatility and commitment to a better, more sustainable planet for everyone. Creating vegan leather begins with innovative, sustainable raw materials. Many unique sources, like pineapple leaf fibers, mycelium from mushrooms, and nopal cactus petals, form the base of these amazing textiles. These resources are often agricultural byproducts, effectively reducing waste and adding value to existing industries. Each distinct material brings unique properties, significantly influencing the final leather's texture, strength, and overall durability, making every batch truly special and unique. Once sourced, these raw plant materials undergo careful cleaning and initial processing to extract their usable fibers or growth structures. For example, pineapple leaves are thoroughly washed and decorticated, separating the strong fibers, while mushroom mycelium is cultivated into large, interconnected sheets. This crucial preparation phase transforms the natural elements into a consistent, workable pulp or flexible mat. The goal is to create a uniform base, ready for the next stages of transformation. With the base material prepared, the next step involves crafting it into flexible, durable sheets. The plant pulp or mats are carefully spread out, often combined with natural binders like starches or plant resins, then meticulously dried. This process ensures the fibers interlock, forming a cohesive structure. Some advanced methods then apply plant-based coatings to the surface, significantly enhancing the material's strength, water resistance, and overall longevity. This truly makes the vegan leather robust. The final stages bring the vegan leather to life, focusing on aesthetic and functional enhancements. This includes adding specific textures, applying natural dyes for vibrant colors, and integrating protective finishes for durability. These crucial processes give the material its desired look, supple feel, and necessary performance characteristics, making it ready for production. From high-end fashion accessories to sustainable automotive interiors, vegan leather is revolutionizing various industries, proving its versatility and commitment to a better future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.